It seems Mr. Ajay is having some argument with the customer care executive. I guess he has forgotten to pay the premium of his policy and now he has to pay extra for it. Well, people often have multiple policies and in this busy lifestyle, they often forget to pay the premium in time. But Mr. Vijay is not worried of these things. No, it's not that he doesn't have any premium to pay, but he has ABS by LIC Mutual Fund, an auto premium payment system. So, Mr. Vijay now enjoys a cup of tea with his wife while his premium will get paid automatically. All he did was, while investing in LIC mutual fund schemes, he chose Auto SWP facility by just filling up a mandate form and submitted it to LIC Mutual Fund Investor Service Center. The benefit of ABS is, now he has an auto premium facility, so he does not need to remember the policy due dates, hence eliminating the risk of any policy lapse. Also, he avails the benefit of the grace period and easy liquidity process in case he requires money from mutual fund portfolio for an emergency. For any transaction or updates, he receives SMS and email notification. The LIC mutual fund schemes which are eligible for premium deduction are LIC MF Liquid Fund, LIC MF Savings Fund, LIC MF Banking and PSU Debt Fund. So, don't you want a stress-free premium deduction facility like Mr. Vijay? Our terms and conditions for ABS are: this facility is allowed only to LIC mutual fund unit holders who have invested in growth option of any of these three schemes. The ABS mandate form should be submitted in original along with the self-attested photocopy of PAN card and the first page of the policy document or status report or first premium receipt of each policy to be registered to POAs, means point of acceptance of LIC mutual fund. If the same is not enclosed, then the mandate form will be rejected. Policy holder name in the LIC policy and first unit holder name in the folio has to be identical. No third-party transfer will be allowed. Multiple folios are not allowed for debit of single premium amount. Minimum subscription amount in above funds is ₹5,000 and in multiple of ₹1 thereafter. For further details, consult your financial advisor or give a missed call on 8505 889911. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully.